Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to make a React folder. Okay, firstly we'll go to browser and type here node download version LTS version PowerShell MSI Microsoft Support installer. We'll download here. If the download has been done, then we'll go preparing to install. Then we'll click on next. I'll accept it, then next. Then there is a directory, then we'll click the next, then again next. Automatically install the necessary tools. Yes, then we'll click on next, and it will check the ready to install Node.js. Okay, if we click here install, our Node.js will be installed. Then we already have installed it, that's why we does not install the Node.js. Okay, close it. We already, then we'll go to here, then we will check her npm create Vite at the rate latest. It will take some time. Okay, then here we'll give the project name as uh, folder underscore 0. Package name will be in the small letters, then we'll press a tab, then 0. Then we are choosing, we will get an option to choose the framework. We'll go use in React using DOF, then React, then we will choose a JavaScript plus compiler. Do you want to use roll down Vite experimental? No. Install with npm and start num. We will manually do it. No. Then we'll go to cd folder. Then we'll go to cd folder 0. Then npm install. It will take some time about 30 to 40 seconds based upon the speed and the network. Yeah, then we'll write a npm run dev. Yeah, we can see our localhost. Yeah, if we control plus click. Ah, yeah, here we can see our count. It is taking too much time. Okay, that's how we install and demonstrate our React.js download and install. Okay, that's for it. Thank you.